In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys 3 quick ways on which you can style your natural hair with just a ponytail braid. So I'm showing you the products which you're going to use. Some of these products are optional. First thing you need is a comb to brush your hair, you need a braided hair which you can braid yourself, you need a toothbrush, and you need gel which is optional. So the first thing I'm going to do is comb my hair, and for the first styles I need to comb my hair and make sure that my hair is sitting on the center of my hair or towards the top. That's what you need to do. So I'm just combing out my hair and making sure that my hair, I'm bringing it all the way forward to the center of my head or towards the top, and I'm just combing it out. And then after that I use a brush. I'm now going to pack my hair to the center of my head with a band. Now I'm going to take my braided hair, which you can either buy braided or which you can braid yourself if you want, and I'm just going to use the band to roll around my hair which I have packed into a bun. After I'm done doing that, I'm just going to wrap the braid around my natural hair and leave it down, and that's one style which you can do. Very easy and very quick and very neat and very nice. Now the next style which I'm going to do, I'm just going to use the same technique and I'm going to roll the braid around my natural hair. It's ideal to use a braid which is the same texture as your hair. This time around I'm just going to make it shorter, so you can use this style to work, to the office, to school, whatever it is. I'm just making it shorter to show you guys how you can achieve various lengths. Now the next thing I'm going to be doing, this style is actually ideal for pictures and videos, because if you don't have a bun which is braided just like the braid which we are using, it's going to show. So this is what I use for pictures and videos, and I just put the bun on my head and roll the braid right around my hair like so. Then I wrap it in at the end. I just make sure it's neat and tidy. Make sure I hide the bun part of the hair with my hair, my own natural hair, and that's it, guys. Now another thing which you can do, if you're going to wrap it all the way around without using a bun, you use the same technique and just wrap the braid around your hair, your natural hair, and make sure to take a piece of the braid and just cover the top of your hair, and then roll the braid all the way around your hair. Tuck it in nicely and neatly at the back. Just make sure it's neat and your hair is not showing, and it looks so beautiful, guys. You can also use this for your kids. If you want, you can wrap it with the band. I'm not doing that here. I'm just gonna leave it like that and add a touch of accessory, which is a flower, into the braid. See how sweet and cute it looks. Now for this last style, you have to comb your hair all the way down. Your hair has to go back, not as high up as the first few ones which we did. So I'm combing my hair all the way down so I can pack it down towards the end, as you guys are gonna see. So I brought it all the way down and I'm just gonna pack it now and roll it into my own mini bun. Then I'm going to take the braid in the same technique and I'm going to wrap it around my hair, but I'm going to cover it with one side of the braid. Next thing, I'm just going to roll it to the side, make sure I'm covering my hair. Then I take it around the perimeter of my own head and I just take it to the back again, and then I make sure I tuck it in nice and neatly at the back and just hold it down. Now that is not enough, so I'm going to go in and use a band to hold it in place. Very simple and very easy. See, everybody likes this hair when I do it. I'm just going to accessorize with flowers. This is optional. Also, if you don't want this red to show, you can use another color to hold your braid. And if you guys want me to show you how to make the braids, it's very easy. I can always show you guys in a subsequent video which I can post on Instagram. So that's basically it. I'm just gonna leave it like this. Then the next thing I'm going to do is take gel and just make sure that my edges are nice and neat. I really don't like this step, or most times I like to use edge control, but for the purpose of this video I'm just using gel to show like how to make it lie flat at the edges and to snatch your edges. And that's it, guys. You're ready to go. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.